All right, the second half of lesson 12.9 is when we're given two sides of a triangle and one angle. So we're given two sides, one angle, and this is the area of oblique triangles. Remember, oblique triangles are triangles without a right angle. So if they're oblique, we can't use 1/2 base times height. And this is while we're using a sine formula. So the area is 1/2 side 1 times side 2 times the sine of C, and I should put that as in degrees. So the first thing you want to do is check your mode of your calculator and make sure your mode is in degrees, because if you're not in degrees, you will have the wrong answer. So let's check the area of this triangle. The area is 1/2. Side 1 is 32. Those are always shown with a lowercase letter. Side 2 is 27. Use that. And then we're going to put sine of 108 degrees. We could put this right in our calculator. So I'm going to push pause, put it in my calculator, and see what I get. Don't forget to check your mode before you do anything else. You want to be in degree mode. All right, so when I calculated this one, I got 410.86. It was 856, so 410.8. It was 56, so I'm going to round up. And this doesn't have meters or anything, so I'll just call that meters. And that was the answer for the area of that triangle. Let's look at the next one. Find the area of a triangle with angle A, 40 degrees. And a side B is 20 and C is 15. Let's call this centimeters because I don't have anything labeled. We're going to put it in. The area is equal to 1/2. Side 1 is 20, side 2 is 15, and then we need the sine of 40 degrees. So once again, I'm going to push pause and calculate this. I encourage you to do the same. All right, so when I put this in my calculator, I got 96.418, which rounds up to 42 centimeters squared. I forgot my squared over here. And those are the area of a triangle when given one angle and two sides.